Let's start titration procedure. So this is tap water, add to beakers, 20 ml water. To find the hardness of water. Okay. Now these water add to conical flask. Okay. Now we take ammonia vapor solution, add to take 2-3 drops. Ammonia vapor solution add to conical flask, 2-3 drops. Continuously shake conical flask until the color of the water is changed. Okay, so this is black tea indicator. Take 2-3 drops, add to conical flask. Okay, so you can see the color of water is changed. Okay, so now start titration. Okay, so first of all we note initial reading, start titration until the color of the water is complete change, so stop the titration. So start titration, continuously shake up conical flask, so until change the color, then again stop. Okay, you can see the color of water is blue. Note final reading, initial minus final, you can see blue color. Thank you.